Hey there, my ambitious entrepreneurs. It's your boy Dave here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone running their own business: credit repair for entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow, your personal credit can play a big role in your business's success. So, let's explore how you, as an entrepreneur, can repair and enhance your credit. First off, it's key to understand how closely tied your personal credit can be to your business, especially in the early stages. Lenders often look at your personal credit history when considering loans for your business. Kick off by getting a complete picture of your credit health. Obtain your credit report from all major bureaus. Check for inaccuracies or areas that need improvement, like high balances or late payments. As an entrepreneur, you know the devil's in the details. If you find errors on your credit report, dispute them promptly. This could be anything from incorrect account details to erroneous charges. A quick win to improve your credit score is to lower your credit utilization ratio. Aim for using less than 30%, 1 to 10% if possible, of your available credit. This shows potential lenders that you manage debt responsibly. Pay bills on time. This one's non-negotiable. Late payments can significantly hurt your credit score. Set up reminders or automate payments to ensure you're always on time, not just with credit cards, but all bills. If you're juggling business investments and debts, it is crucial to keep a handle on your personal debt too. Consider consolidating high interest debts or creating a strategic plan to pay off debts efficiently. Long term, your focus should be on building a strong credit history. This might mean using a credit card for regular purchases and paying it off in each month, or keeping older credit accounts open to lengthen your credit history. Be cautious about mixing personal and business expenses. Keep these separate to maintain clear financial records. While investing in your business is important, balance it with maintaining a healthy personal credit profile. Improving your personal credit as an entrepreneur isn't just about here and now. It's an investment in your business's future. With a solid credit score, you'll find it easier to secure funding, negotiate better terms with suppliers, and scale your business. Remember, folks, the journey to excellent credit takes time and discipline, but it's absolutely worth it. For more entrepreneurial tips and financial wisdom, hit that subscribe button and check out the links below. Here's to building a successful business on a foundation of strong credit.